Salena lives in. Can you tell me more about your connection with the story, the folklore story, and the special nature of the origins of herbalism?
Yeah, so here in Wales, we have the story of the physicians of Myddfai, or you might say the story of the Lady of the Lake, because all herbalism and herbalists in Wales are said to come from a fairy. And I'm saving the story for those of you that have the joy of coming here. But in a nutshell, what I will say is a Lady of the Lake appeared from Anwfn, which is the Welsh underworld. And through the story, she ended up gifting her herbalism knowledge to her sons. So in essence, all herbalism started from there, started from that lake, which was the entrance of Anwfn, the entrance to the underworld. So you could, in essence, say that Anwfn gifted us herbalism. So all herbalism comes from that story and that tradition, and there's actual evidence of that we've got the manuscripts that's been written about, and it's been translated into English as well. And many of the things that are written in there, the herbal remedies, can actually be used today. Yes.